After being entertained by the monkeys, they began throwing things at him and eventually kidnapped Mowgli. As Mowgli is hurled through the jungle treetops, he uses the master words to get voice to Baloo and Bagheera and let them know where he is. Baloo is upset he didn't warn Mowgli about the dangers of the monkey people sooner. He and Bagheera go to find Kaa, the rock python, who is 30 feet long, and ask him for help rescuing Mowgli. They know Kaa is the only creature the Bandar-log fear. And Kaa, who is hungry, goes along with their request. Baloo is slower, so Kaa and Bagheera race ahead, leaving Baloo to go at a bear's pace.
He needs help!